This song called The Brady Bunch, man. Tell me if y'all fuck with it. The Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch. This is how we became the Brady Bunch. Check. I met this one last night. Her name was Tristan. It was hard to crack a code, but I got in. When I took her to my bedroom, man, I killed it. I ate her pussy, sucked her toes, I made her feel it. That me and her locked in the Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch. This is how we became the Brady Bunch. Check. I met this sexy chocolate chick. Her name was Kiki. She's a gangster, pretty cool, but she get wild. Every time I bless her back, her shit good shit. Her pussy wet and it talk back. She got good news, yeah. But she can't settle down. The Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch. This is how we became the Brady Bunch. Now check. I met this one, a sexy girl, her name was Cece. She was feisty, pretty cool, but very loud. Every time I slid and hit that shit got crazy. She stealing nut, acting like a slut, trying to have my baby. Look at me in my eyes every time she sucks, that shit don't faze me. I can't get stuck, I don't get no fuck, I got a lady. Gotta go home right now. The Brady Bunch, the Brady Bunch. This is how we became the Brady Bunch.